welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to connect Mongo database in Python Django projects. Let's start. First, creating a new project. Then click on new project. Then giving the project name. So I am writing my project name Django MongoDB CRUD. Then project interpretation. Here selecting a new environment because we can't use Django with MongoDB in version after 3.05. So I am using here Django project which is version is 3.05. So creating virtual environment here, then click on create. Now it's creating project. Wait for project completion. So my project is ready. Now let's create the project. Let's fix this. Now open terminal and install Django. So running command pip install Django version 2. So it's installing, you can see. So you can see Django is installed now here. Now let's installing another library which is used for Mongo database connection. So installing this also by running command pip install djongo, whatever. So it's installing. You can see. So here it updated my project to version 3.05. So it's okay, no problem. Let's complete this installation first. So first it's uninstalling the version 2.0 of Django, then it will install automatically version 3.05. Now you can see it is installing version 3.05. So it's done. Let's clear my console. Now create Django project. So running command Django admin start project Django CRUD MongoDB. So my project is ready. Now let's enter to project directory cd Django. Now running command for app. So running command python manage.py Django CRUD app. Okay. Start app. So I have my app also created. Now let's open setting and doing setting for Django. So here use this name which I installed this library, and change the database name to your database name, like I am setting here Django MongoDB tutorial. Then open model.py and here remove this and creating a class and import from Django import models. In creating a model class posts model, then adding field id which is model dot object id field, then adding post title model dot char fit, max length 255, post description equal to model dot text field. Now let's close this terminal window and closing this pop-up, then adding comment equal to model dot JSON field, then adding text equal to model dot JSON field, then adding user details equal to model dot JSON field. So my model is ready. Now let's running migration command. Clear my console, Python manage.py make migrations, then running command migrate. So you can see, so my migration command runs successfully. Now let's open our database. So opening my database here, MongoDB. So if you don't know about MongoDB, please check my MongoDB tutorial. In the tutorial I show you how to install MongoDB and how to use MongoDB in your system. Let's directly click on connect. So you can see my database. Open this. So here our database is created. All data are written here in MongoDB. Let's create a super user. So running command Python manage py create super user. So adding username admin, password admin @gmail.com, admin yes. So my super user created. Let's again open this and browse this data. So open here. So you can see user has been created. Let's close this. Adding a URL. Get post views dot add post date post delete post date add and delete post. So here are the 4 routes which I will use in our project: add data in database, update data in MongoDB, delete data and read data. So first adding function read, change this to views dot delete post views dot post views dot underscore post, then import this views, select this, remove this folder name, otherwise it will show error. So remove this. Now let's create all this function. Open views.py, adding function define post request pass, creating another function update post, adding define update request pass get post, adding define request pass git post define post, and do one thing. Here I am adding id for deleting str id, just int id, int id, git post all. Also here adding id, int id. Let's add this id field here. Also adding this id field in delete. Also adding id in git post. Pass and define. Now creating this function also. Git post all. Adding request, then id. So for adding post in database, just call. So adding database in database, creating post object, post equal to posts. Click add plus enter, import this post and remove this also. Passing post data. So open this module file. So passing post title is request dot post dot get title, then passing post description. So adding request dot post dot get, then adding comment. So here let's convert my comment into list format. So doing thing, comment equal to request dot post dot get comment dot split into. So here I am splitting my comment with comma, so it will come into a list format. Now also doing this tags, adding tags. Let's pass this tag also. So here passing comment equal to let's keep the field name comment. Now passing tags equal to tags, then passing user details. So user details, passing user detail equal to creating a dictionary object. So heading first name, request post get first name, and then copy this. So passing last two. Let's pass this in post user detail. In calling method post dot save, then returning message, return HTTP response inserted. Click add plus enter, import this. Now also so my code is ready. Also I missed one thing, let's add this here. Object equal to model dot Django model manager. So add this also. for reading data. Now let's try to enter data in database. So first I am adding here @csrf exempt. So I am not creating a template which will take time. So I am directly showing you how to insert data in database without using form. You can use this form also, but I am saving my time. So I am directly calling the URL using Postman. So importing this. Now let's start Postman. So starting the server, adding file. Now selecting the file, then parameter and server. Click on apply, click on OK, click on run. Okay, here is one error. Let's fix this. It's fixed now. Click the starting server. Here is another error. Installer. Okay, let's add my app name here. So my app name is Django CRUD app. Now restarting the server. So my server is running now. Let's copy this URL. Open Postman. Open the tab. Now calling method post, then adding data, add post URL, then in body we are passing the data. So my data are for insert data, passing comment. So comment equal to comment 1, comment 2, for tags passing tag 1, tags 1, tags 2, then passing first name, so passing first name Rahul, last name R, then passing post title. So post title is my first demo post, and passing post description. This is the dummy post. So all done. Now let's try to call the URL. So sending. So you can see inserted. Let's check in a database. So open my database here. Open that. Okay, here. Let's load this first. So you can see post created. Cross this. So you can see all are created. Open comment. You can see comment. Open tag. So here you can see I inserted array data, also array tag, also object data. So I can show the all example of which use in MongoDB: list, array, objects. So you can see this simple data which I insert in our database. Now let's see how you can access this data. So again coming back here. Now creating read post. So accessing post equal to post.objects.get id equal to id. So I'm returning post data in string format. So creating a string value. So here I'm adding the first name, post dot So adding post dot user detail, then call this check name, last name, and returning the title. So adding post title and returning here post title, which is post dot post underscore title. Then return the data in HTTP response, return HTTP response and passing the string value. So let's try this method also. And here my post ID is do one thing, add more data. Adding more data. Let's refresh this. Let's access the data. So for accessing data, so here you can't read the data directly, so you need to do some customization. So coming here and changing this to string. Also in models.py, change this to underscore id. Then in view, here also passing id and pass object id. This object id coming from this MongoDB class. So it's done. Now let's try to fetch the data. So much. So here I have some data. Let's copy this id. Now let's try to fetch the data. Coming here. Opening page. HTTP 127.0.0.1/read post plus click on send. So you can see we return our first name, last name, post title. So I can access all the data. Also let's try to also adding comment here. So adding comment. Post dot comment, accessing the first comment. Print. So you can see I print my first comment. So in this way you can access the data. Now let's try to now fetching all the data. Just copy this code here, pasting. So adding first accessing all the data. Post equal to post dot object dot all. Now creating for loop for post and this to post for posting posts, and then string string val plus equal to, then return HTTP response string val. Also doing the line break, so adding break. Now let's read all the posts. Okay, here one thing, let's do this id. Now let's read all the posts. Adding, so you can see return my all post data, which is our database. Now let's see how you can update the data. So copy this ID code, I'm calling post dot user detail first name equal to request dot post dot get first name post dot save return http response post updated. So here I am updating only single data, which is first name. Let's try to update data. Calling method update post and updating this post data. So passing the post ID and body, and this to post. Now in body passing first name equal to Vishal and click send. So let's fix this update code. Okay, I changed to string. Now let's try to call. One more thing, CSRF is missing, so let's add the CSRF send. Now let's again call. So you can see data. Now let's check in our database rating. So here you can see name, first name is changed to Vishal. So this is simple example of how you can update data in MongoDB. Now let's see how you can delete data. So for deleting data, from here post equal to post dot objects dot get underscore id equal to object id post dot delete. Now returning message http response post deleted. Also do one thing, changing this id to string in read post. Now let's call this method. Change the method to date. Let's call this. So you can see. Now let's open database. So you can see after that. So you can see one of my posts has been deleted. So this is simple example of MongoDB with Django. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel.